Everybody, Jim King in Riverside, back out here with our A-team. These guys are amazing, what they can get done in a period of a few days. We've got it all dug out. We've compacted the subgrade where the footing's gonna go. We're gonna pour an 8-inch thick, 2-foot wide footing in here with 2 runs of rebar. And we'll set our vertical rebar, or we may come back and drill holes. This is rebar that came from the floor, so we'll probably do that, come back and drill our holes. But once we do that, get the rebar set, the verticals, we'll come set the horizontals, set this front form in there in the middle of that footing and pour the floor after we're done, but we'll pour that wall flush with this existing basement floor. And then the only thing we'll have left is this middle here. So, yeah, it's turned out perfect, just exactly how we visualized it. And put it on paper, it's perfect. So I couldn't be more pleased with these guys. For your foundation repair, call me, 816-521-8915. You can go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.